Welcome, Sanity Seekers. Come and get some creative chill time with me. I'm making some pretty sun hats for my Mad Hatter's studio. You can cut a tiny hat brim out of foam or cardboard, which is cool and all, but this little black duck found a way of cheating. I brought a bag of these wooden flat rings, which are the perfect size for hat brims. They're stiff and I don't have to cut a heap out. I have a nice pile of cotton fabrics which I've cut out 3 times the size of my brim. I'm using the tacky glue, but stick glue would be fine and probably easier. Glue the fabric onto both sides of the brim, cut yourself a thin strip and set it aside while the glue on the brim dries. When the brim is dry, cut the excess off and cut the center hole into sections. Cut the excess from the center triangles and glue that thin strip of fabric around the edge of the brim to make it nice and neat. Now put glue around the inside of the brim. Grab an appropriate sized bottle lid or bead or something to shape the inside of the hat and put the remaining piece of fabric over that. Carefully slide the brim over the fabric and set it aside to dry. Once dry, trim off the excess material. I found the shears worked better than the plain old scissors. If these hats were for dolls or play rather than just display, I would have put another strip of material around the inner as a sweatband to make them neater and stronger. But I didn't need to, so I didn't. Now that we have a selection of hats in various colours and patterns, we can get really creative and decorate them. I'm using coordinating strips of fabric, scrap lace, moss thread, pieces of feather, polymer slices and nail art embellishments to play around and decorate the hats. You could also use various ribbons, tiny beads, moss, or really just anything. Keep an open mind and your eyes open for ideas and options. Maybe check out that junk drawer of yours. Who knows? And a good old-fashioned Google search images can give you lots of inspiration too, after you watch this video of course. Speaking of which, if you're finding value in this video, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. It does my heart good to hear from you. Now let's get down and decorate these tiny little hats. Thank you again for hanging out with me. I hope you check in again and check out some of my other videos. In the meantime, please stay safe, sane and creative, my fellow sanity seekers, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.